Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Turbo Tuesdays. We're back for another day, another dollar. Right now, the NASDAQ here at the 15,204 level. We got the VWAP there at the 208s. We got the overnight high up here at the 40 level. Lots of things going on here. We got the support kind of holding up down there. We got a pivot point to the upside at the 280s. We got a pivot point to the downside down there at the 120s. Guess what happened yesterday, my friends? Would you look at that? The gap getting filled yesterday there on the NASDAQ. We bounced off that pivot point. We pushed up there to the gap fill and filled the gap. Actually went even higher. We went from the 30s all the way up there to the 212s. All right, baby. It's live. We're live. It's happening. We're doing it. It's going on. Right now, the NASDAQ right here below the VWAP for now. I want to see this thing obviously get above the VWAP here at open. If we can do that, we get above the VWAP, I think there's a good chance we try to take out that high from the overnight. We'll see how she plays. Right now, sitting here below the VWAP. So the VWAP turns into resistance there. Well, then we obviously would sell down. But right now, pretty clear line in the sand. A line in the sand here, people. VWAP. The VWAP pretty much right between these two pivot points. 282 pivot and a 117 pivot to the downside. You know, those pivots love to get touched. So, the $1 million question, which pivot point is going to get touched first? The one to the upside or the one to the downside? Nobody knows, but I know one thing. Hit that like button right now. If you haven't already, help me out. Help me help you, baby. All right. I apologize for the background still. We're still getting it worked out here and getting everything all dialed in. But, hey, having Patrick with a unfinished background is probably better than having Patrick with not having Patrick, right? That's better, right? Having me is better than nothing at all. We'll see. We will see here. All right. It is time to party, my friends. Time to party, drink Bacardi. Right now, the NASDAQ trying to push up here. 205 level right there at the VWAP currently. VWAP. On the ES today, we got a pivot point down there at the 48s. We got a pivot point up there at the 396s. So, very similar setup here. ES, VWAP, NASDAQ, VWAP, pivot points. And right now, looking at the 3-minute chart here. 15-minute chart on the ES right now. So, we will see how she plays out here at open today. The 15-minute chart right now looking, we got some nice little pushback ups off of that kind of run down here to the 75s earlier. Some nice push, some nice wicks, wiki back up here to the VWAP. So if we get it back above this VWAP, I think we'll trade at least up into this 220 level and see how this kind of plays out at open. Right now, VWAP right there. Very clear to see the VWAP's right there. The VWAP is right there, my friends. It's right there. So close. So we will give it a little bit of time here and see if we're going to squeeze. Little squeeze here. Possibly. Little squeeze. It's my party, I'ma cry if I want to, All right, we're getting ready, baby. We're getting ready here. Let's see if we're gonna push here at open. If we get above that VWAP, that'll be kind of what we're looking at here. So we'll do a poll here. Let's do a poll. If we get, we need to get more, we got to get more likes here. More likes. Let's get, if we get 500 likes, we'll do the poll. So the problem is that we get 500 people voting on the poll, no problem, but we don't get 500 likes. What is going on? Something 1 + 1 should equal 2. 2 + 2 should equal 4. 4 + 4 equals 8. I know math, people. I might not be the smartest person, but I do know math. 1 + 1 equals 2. All right. Bum bum ba bum ba bum. All right, all right, all right. The $1 million question: up or down at open? Where are we gonna go? $2. Chris R, how do you deal with FOMO and tilt? I don't know. I'm still trying to figure that out myself. I'm still trying to figure that out myself, my friend. So, UCLA ES to 4,380 to 4,387. I mean, that's what, like a fucking, if that happens, it's only a 4-point move. If you're claiming, that's exactly what I said. You're saying exactly what I said. You're literally saying what I just said. You're saying it again in the chat. All right, the poll right now, the poll is simple. We got 64% saying we're going to go up. We got 36% saying we're going to go down. Up, down, baby. Who's going to vote up? Who's going to vote down? What do you guys think? Where are we at? Still 300 votes, 63% saying up, for 38% saying down. All right, all right. All right, all right. I'm gonna look at the daily chart here. Oh God, why does I keep doing that? Daily chart here on the NASDAQ right now. We got a pivot point on the daily chart. Oh wait, there's the 528s. But definitely this is a dangerous spot we're sitting at right now. Just pretty much at the top of yesterday's high there. So we really, if we start to pull back, it'll be a pretty quick move down. But I think we need to, for the bulls, they want to put this thing pushing. I'd say there's pretty good. If the bulls come in here, if the bulls come in here at open, there's room to run. It's just the problem is, look at where we're at right now. Pretty much just at the top of yesterday's daily candle there. So looking at the hourly here, that 36 area needs to get taken out there. So all right, we're starting it up. We got 7 minutes here. 7 minutes. The poll was 62% saying we're going to go up, 37% saying we're going to go down. Uh-oh. 62% up, then down it is. Oh, man. Oh, sometimes the chat gets lucky. The chat gets lucky sometimes. We've seen it. It's not impossible. We have seen it happen. Dave Hott, I would talk. I don't really know, bro. I'm not Topstep customer service. You got to talk to Topstep, my friend. I would like to help you, but again, I'm not customer service. If you email them, talk to them. I don't know. It's not, like I said, not really. I can't really do anything. It's 100% going up. Sal trades. Okay. He said it's 100% going up. So I mean, there is no chance that it's going down, clearly. Fuck. Why do I never trade the Dow? I don't know. Why do you trade the Why do you trade the Dow? I trade the NASDAQ. I don't know why people always, Patrick, why don't you trade gold? Why don't you trade oil? Patrick, why don't you trade Pokemon cards? You do you, baby. I do me. That's how we do around here. I do you, we do me. We do me, we do you. I don't have the book map right now. I need to get the login for the book map. I don't have the fucking login because it's on my other computer and I'm on my new computer right now. I got to get the login still. So I can't remember my damn password and information. The Dow gives way more points. I mean, sure, maybe. Does it? Ban Dove, why don't I use higher leverage? I mean, what are these questions right now? Let's just focus on the trades, guys. The market opens in 4 minutes. Let's not worry about what I'm doing with my fucking leverage and what I'm trading and all that. Let's just focus on the chat. This is my broker calling me. Let's see if we got good news. Hopefully we got fucking good news. Oh my God. I'm sitting here live on YouTube telling everybody that I was waiting for a phone call, so. Fucking A. You're 27 minutes. I'm like, fuck, he hasn't called me yet. Are you kidding me right now? All right. Is it gonna... Yeah, no, I was sitting here staring at the phone. Somebody somebody else called me. The phone rang at like 9:10. I looked and it wasn't you, and I was like, "Fuck." They have I guess the code for that gate or whatever. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yep. Okay. Yep. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, perfect. I'll probably leave here like 11, get down there a little after 12 then. Cool. Okay. Awesome. Thanks, Connor. It's done! It's done! Oh my God! It happened! It happened! I am now the owner of a fucking boat. Oh my God. Well, a second boat of mine. It happened. The bank fucking fucked up the wire transfer, but it cleared today, so we are good. Let's go, baby. I'm picking it up here at 12 o'clock, so right after the stream. I'll do a vlog. Do a vlog for you guys. 36-foot yellowfin, my dream boat. Ho, ho, ho. I can't. Ooh. I love it. 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 Here we go. We got 1 minute till market opens. 30 seconds. Now we got to make some money. We got to pay for this boat. So let's make some money today, boys. We got to make some fucking money today, boys. All right. All right. He had to move to Section 8. Why are you spamming the fucking chat? Get out of here. Banned for life. Fuck is that guy talking about? I moved to Section 8? All right, right now we're looking at the 3-minute chart. If we can get above this, I think 208 level here at open, we'd be looking for like that 220, 225 level pretty quickly. So let's see how she plays here at open. Just need to get above that kind of 210 level and then squeeze straight up there, just like it's doing right now. So let's go straight up here, baby. Need to get right through that 220. That 220 level from earlier, we broke through. So we want to sell through. We want to get right through that there. Right now, pushing up there 211, 212s. Trouble there. Trouble. UCLA, you said the market was going to go straight up and open. You lied. Right now, pulling back here into that 90 level again. This is a 3-minute chart, by the way. So we got a little bit of time here. See what happens at this 200s. If we're going to squeeze up here after that little pullback right there. Back up there to the VWAP again here. Needs to get right through there. Don't want to get stuck there at the VWAP again. Need to go through that level there quickly and then try to run up there to the 200s. Like right now, right here. The ES pushing off the VWAP. The ES gets through the 77s and then tries to push up there to the to the 80s. But right now, stuck there again. This 15-minute candle just getting stuck right there. 77 on the ES there. So needs to get right through 77s here for the NASDAQ to get up there to the 20s. And just chopping it back down there again. Stuck right there at the VWAP, man. She's trying to go, trying to go. Can we push? That 220 level up there, I think she wants it. I think. There she goes. There she goes. Trying to get to that 220 break above the VWAP here. See if he'll take it right through the 220s there next. The ES pushed up there through the 77s. The NASDAQ up there to the 220s now. Right there above the VWAP finally. And should take out the 20s right here, right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Up there to the 220s. Right now, holding here, 1 minute chart, holding the VWAP there. So we get this squeeze straight through the 220s and then try to get to the 240s there. And oh, right back down there again. She's trying to push. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. It's a New Boat Tuesdays. New Boat Tuesdays. Blow up the like button, baby. Come on, NASDAQ. What are you going to do here? What's going to happen here? NASDAQ stuck there again at the 220s and right back down. The ES there, 15-minute chart, just chopping around. Look at this doji candle there. First 15-minute candle. Do I ever trade the Dow? No, I never trade the Dow. Everybody, Patrick, get the Dow. I've literally never traded the Dow my entire life. And the NASDAQ chopping back down here again. Oh, man. Straight down on the NASDAQ. Take out that low there. Oops. Oh, look at this thing. Oh, my God. Right off the 180s, taking it straight back up. Oh, back up there, 200s again. Did my computer just freeze? Oh, no. The NASDAQ just stuck there. Welcome to a fun-filled action morning here. Now she's going to squeeze straight up after a 40-point drop from the 20s back up there. Look at that 3-minute candle. Just ran all those lows right there just to fucking squeeze it straight up here. You gotta love it. You gotta love it, boys. It's so much fun. Fucking guy knocking on my door right now. Fuck it, hey, everybody wants me today. I had some guys working on the boat dock, so I had to deal with that real quick. We're back. We're in it. All right. Again, the NASDAQ just chop city here. 3-minute chart looking very, very choppy. Let's wait to see what happens to this 45-minute range. Let's see what happens with the 45-minute range. The art. Everybody's always talking about everything but let's look at the RTY, the Russell. Here's the Russell. The Russell from the 72s up there to the 78s now. I've never really tried. I don't know. Just have never really traded anything other than the NASDAQ, to be honest. Trade sugar. Trade sugar. The Russell price is so smooth most of the time. Well, that's always the famous last words, isn't it? Most of the time. Always when people say, oh, you know, it's good most of the time. Well, what about the times where it's not good? What about when it's not good? What about those times? Try the Dow, you'll become a billionaire. Ugh. Ugh. Will I become a billionaire from the Dow? That's all it takes? All it takes is to become a billionaire from the Dow? I'm in. Okay. Let's look at the Dow. So you think the Dow, if I just trade the Dow, I'll be a billionaire. Okay, I'm in. Short the Dow. Oh God. I don't know. Will people still watch me if I trade the Dow, or they only watch me if I trade the NASDAQ? The Dow down right now. The Dow. The NASDAQ, look at it, back up there again. Oh, she wants it. She wants it. She wants it. Ah! Ah, the Dow, the NASDAQ, it's all just higher, higher, higher. Will the NASDAQ rip through the 20s here? 3-minute chart off the VWAP right now. Try to go to the 20s. Up next on the main stage, the NASDAQ trying to push through the 20s. That's my strip club DJ voice. I always think if the whole day trading YouTube doesn't work out, I go work at a strip club and just be the DJ. Up next, the NASDAQ on the main stage. Get your dollar bills out because this thing's going up, up, up. What do you think? I think I got the voice for it. I got the voice for it. I don't even smoke cigarettes, but I can sound like I smoke cigarettes, okay? The NASDAQ on the main stage. And then we got over on the backstage, if you really want to get crazy, we got old Grandma Dow. She's putting her panties on right now. Get ready, boys. This one's a slow mover, but when she starts moving, she's gonna make you a billionaire. Or make you spend all your money like a billionaire. The NASDAQ up there through the 20s, up there to the 24, 25s. She still wants more. She still wants more. She wants it all the way, baby. She wants it all the way. Bum 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 boo. I took one little trade right there off of this break off the 210s up there through the 220s just to lock in some profit. I got to pay for the gas for the new boat. You know how much it's going to cost me to fill that fucking boat up? People be like, Patrick, trade the Dow. I'm like, dude, I got to trade the NASDAQ. I need more money. I need more money. How can anyone trade with the noise? I don't fucking know, Big O. How about this? How about you go and you just get fucked? Well, how do you trade with all the noise? You act like my noise is going to stop you from entering and exiting a trade. Like, whoa, Patrick, I can't focus on the trade. Man, this thingy majiggy right now. The Dow is definitely an 83-year-old stripper named Dakota. Every young 22-year-old stripper, the story is always the same. Just gonna do this until I pay for my college. And then they get a real job and they find out that they don't make thousands of dollars just dancing. Then they're like, fuck that, I'm going back to the strip club. Hey, I got nothing against it. I'm all for it, you know? Use your abilities. If you got God-given talents, if you can dance, well, why not make money from it? That's why I do YouTube. That's why I do YouTube, baby, because, you know, I got a God-given talent. I'm an entertainer. Uh-oh, fuck. The broker's calling me again. Hey. Yeah, that's fine. All right. Later. Yeah, no worries. Peace. All good. Now they're trying to send me money. People try to give me money now, motherfuckers. The best is the finance company was they sent me a bill. They sent me a bill for $85,000. And I was like, whoa, what the fuck is this? And they're like, oh yeah, that's the remaining balance. And I'm like, no. I don't owe you 85. You fucking owe me 30. And guess what? They were wrong. I was right. They were wrong. I'm like, yes, I know. I am smart. You are not. That is the difference here. How does a finance company send me a bill for 85,000 and then they don't know how to do math? How does that work? I don't know. All right, the NASDAQ sitting here at the VWAP right now. Just kind of, we need something to have. Look at that 15-minute range there, just not looking very pretty right now. It's not looking very pretty. Anybody on the live stream live in Miami or South Florida? Anybody who lives in South Florida wants to go fishing this week? I'm taking someone from the live stream fishing. Just don't murder me, man. Please don't murder me. I'm too beautiful to get murdered. Anybody want to go? The only rule is you got to bring at least 5 girls with you. 5 Russian models. 5 Russian models, please. Nah, I kid. Just bring 1 Russian model, 2 Russian models. I always like when people are like, I'll go fishing with you, Patrick. I'll help pay for the gas. And then they offer $20 for gas. Like the $20 is really going to help me with the fucking $1,500 gas bill. Yes, you're right. Thank you. Thank you for that offer. Thank you for offering me that bill. Sorry, I got to send my wire info to this broker real quick. Just nothing but money man over here. Just money, baby. Patrick Wieland, money. All right. So still the NASDAQ sitting here. Let's go fishing. This is one of the Lux Algo indicators, not the price action concepts. This is the ICT concept. 15-minute chart right now. Just we traded up into this fair value gap up to 25s. We talked about that level this morning, kind of pushing up into that 25 area, and then got denied and right back down. And now just sitting here chopping. I'm trying to get Tanja Trades. Tanja Trades, is she in the chat? I tried to get her to come on the boat. She won't come though. She says that she thinks I might be a crazy person in real life. I said, what would give you that impression? What would give you the impression, Tanja, that Patrick Wieland is crazy in real life? I don't get it. I don't get it. Why, what would give you that impression? Tanja. I'm never going to call her Tanya. I know her name's Tanya, but Tanja sounds way more exotic. If I knew her name was Tanya in the beginning, I wouldn't, I wouldn't like her as much. But since I thought her name was Tanja, and I'm like, Tanja, that's like a sexy name. Tanja. Could be a stripper name as well. Tanja on the main stage. Up next, if you haven't already, check out Tanja YouTube channel. Learn a little bit about ICT, the ghost in the machine. I heard she's going to do a face reveal very soon. A face reveal. It's coming. The face reveal on the main stage. She's trying to go through the 220s here again. Trying to go. The 1 minute chart back up into that fair value gap. I feel like this wants to go, like I feel like it wants to, but it's just building up here. Building up here right now, trying to go. The Dow not really moving. You guys told me to trade the Dow. You guys lied. You liars. You liars. You told me I'd be a billionaire if I traded the Dow today. Clearly did not work. You can see the ES up here to the 80s. Got to get through that 80 level there. We got a pivot point all the way up there at the 96s. 96s. And again, the NASDAQ back to the VWAP here again. Oh my gosh. Kind of like, just come on. Do something already. This 5 minute chart right now. Look at this 5 minute chart. Look at that, just selling pressure, selling pressure, selling pressure. Getting held down here, that fair value gap at the 25s. I'm pretty honored that the Tanja Trades is watching my live stream right now. She has so many options, so many other live streams she could go watch, but she watches mine. I think it's because I'm so beautiful. I don't know. I think it's definitely not because of my trading skills, that's for sure. Banana, 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 banana. I thought about, maybe doing like a date, I'm going to post a video on YouTube with my email address and then let girls email me and I'll set up some dates from YouTube. Could you imagine the emails I would get? The Russell moved nicely. Let's see what the Russell's doing here. Oh my, look at the Russell right now. Wow. Wow. The Russell is pretty impressive here, guys. I'm not going to lie. That is impressive. Have I ever been catfished? I have. I have been catfished before. Yes, it is. It has happened to even the greatest. It wasn't like a really bad catfish. It was just that the girl, maybe she was just a little real. She was pretty good at taking photos, making herself look a little skinnier than she was. Nothing wrong with that, Hey, all for use your God-given abilities. But I think it was a little misleading. A little misleading. Look at the RTY right now. Wow, the Russell this morning off of the VWAP straight to the pivot point there at the 85s. That's a move. Glenn, look back at the RTY openings and compare. I'm comparing, baby. Maybe we should start trading the RTY here, the Russell. I've never really... look at that thing. Is it what's the nomination for every dollar move? How much is every dollar move in the Russell? $50 is every dollar move. So we went what? From 74s to 85, so 10 points, $5,000 on $5 million per move. Seems like a lot. All right, I'm interested. You guys, you got me interested in this RTY thing. I like it. I'm gonna maybe we're gonna trade the RTY tomorrow. We'll see. Right now, the NASDAQ. I just feel like, you know, the NASDAQ's gonna be very upset. I'm gonna be very upset if I change it up. Up there to the 225s. One minute chart, 15-minute chart. We're trying to get the breakout here on the 15-minute chart. If this thing wants to push here, can we get going through that high there, that pivot point all the way there to the 83s? If they let this thing run, baby, we go to the pivot point today. We go to the pivot point today. What do you think? 280s pivot today? Pips and beyond. I don't know anything about Forex, bro. That would be like me giving advice on what it's like to be a woman. I have no idea. So asking me questions about Forex is literally, it would be literally just, it's not a good idea. We're trying to go. What about gold? I mean, it's all got correlations. When the equity market's strong, then gold's weak. But yeah, I don't really trade any of that stuff, to be honest. So I can't really give advice on it. Here we go, up there to the 230s. The NASDAQ takes out this 240 level. I think that I don't want to get too far ahead of myself, but that pivot point up there at the 80s, I think she would like to get it. I think she'd like it. Hi, Pat. I'm new here. Which platform do you use on Topstep? Look at that. 3 times asking the same question. Guess what, Al? Just because you asked 3 times, I'm not going to answer. Sorry. And here we go. Up there to the 250s. I think we're going to the pivot, boys. I'm long right now, by the way. If you didn't know, but whatever. I think we're going. I'm just going to hold. I'm just going to let this thing fucking ride today. I'm going to let it ride up there to that fucking pivot. Call it a fucking day. UCLA, you're already out? You told me it was gonna go up! What the fuck, UCLA? What the fuck? You lied. Up there to the 260s now. Just a little piece of advice. Obviously, this is not financial advice. I don't know why anyone would ever listen to me on the internet. I have no idea what I'm talking about. So just a word to the wise. I would be very confused on why anyone would listen to me. Look at me. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. I have 2 boats, 3 trucks, 2 houses. Why would you listen to this guy? I have no idea what I'm doing. I just get lucky sometimes. UCLA, Patrick, I'm already out. Get the fuck out of here, UCLA. I'm holding all the way to the top, the tippity top. I ain't taking profit. I never take profit. I only hold for fucking $1 million profits only. God. I don't need a Lambo. I have an F-250 that's on 40-inch tires. I'll run over your Lambo, boy. I should buy my dad an F-150. I don't think he wants an F-150. He needs an F-250 or bigger. He pulls like a lot of heavy trucks and stuff, or trailers and crap. UCLA, why would I listen to you? You're in my chat. This is what I want you to do. I want you to start your own YouTube channel. I want you to grow it to where I'm at, and then maybe I'll listen to you. Until then, why would I listen to you? My target price is this pivot point up here at the 80s. $83 pivot point up there. So look at this thing going. Ayo. In the yayo. Oh God. If it goes to this pivot point, I swear to God, I swear to God, I swear to God, I want everyone in the chat to just bow down, peasants. Bow down to the Lord, the Savior, Patrick Wieland. 83 pivot point. We got to hit 83. We hit 83, I'm fucking done. Done. Why haven't I taught my dad to trade? If it was that easy, everyone would do it, guys. I mean, come on. Don't be silly. Like everyone's like, go teach your dad to day trade. Why don't you fucking teach your dad to day trade? Can't, it's like, people like, trading is not just like something you just magically just teach somebody. I've been doing this 7 years now. It's like, come on. Let's be honest. All right, all right. We got to a high so far of 71. I'm up 60 points right now. I'm just fucking, just kind of set it and forget it, I think. I got to go pick up the boat in a little bit anyway, so I think put my target up there at the 80s and just walk away would be a good plan here. Good plan. I would like that plan. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. We got to a high of 71 so far. This is a 3-minute chart. I think as long as we stay above the 40s, we can make that next leg up there next, so. Let it ride, let it ride, let it ride, let it ride. Little pullback here. Oh no, don't pull back all the way. Just kidding. It's not gonna. It's going all the way. I go to the bathroom. The nice thing about my new house is I have like literally 3 bathrooms somehow. I don't know why there's so many fucking bathrooms, but there's a bathroom like literally right here in my office. So what is with the new background? It's a new house, new background. So am I gonna do a house tour? Yes. Duh. House tours, big house, small cars, 5 cars, 1 house, 2 5, 6 7, 8 9. Forced user, dude, are you guys fucking stupid? How many fucking stupid people are in the chat? How many fucking stupid people? Where do you get your pivot points at? Where do you get your pivot points? Guys, go on fucking TradingView. Put your fucking type in pivot points and shut the fuck up. God. God. Hey, how's it going? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, no worries. Yep. Awesome, thanks, man. I had to read out my account number. Didn't want to do that live on YouTube. So pulling back here into the 40s right now, 45s. Like I said, need to kind of hold above this 40 level here. Maybe another setup here to get back up there and push towards that pivot, kind of hold the 40s here. Why didn't I take profit? Because I made money earlier this morning and I wanted to just fucking be patient and see if we can get this move up there to the pivot point. Sometimes, you know, trading is not always about just taking profits. It's a journey, my friend. Sometimes you got to go through these journeys. You know, these journeys, these ideas, the plans, the strategies. You got to learn. You got to become better. The ES still has a pivot point up there at the 96s. If the ES can break out here, I think the NASDAQ will follow. So, you know, this is that one of those moments for me personally where I'm like, you know, at the end of the day, I'm like, why did I not hold for that move up to the pivot point? Why, Patrick? Why? You know, so like this is that moment where why, you know, I've got to, I got to believe. I got to believe. Have the faith. Gotta believe. We got the VWAP down there at the 213s here. The ES still showing some strength over here. Staying at the top of that 15-minute candle. The ES, look at that 15-minute candle on the ES. We broke out above the 80s, squeezed straight up there to the 90s. He still wants more. Got that pivot point on the ES up there, the 96s. Look at this thing. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy. Let's see if the NASDAQ's going to find some strength here and start to push back up. Be looking, if we get a start to push back up here, this breakout setup, we trade it back into this fair value gap right there, then we get this move up like that. So don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the place that you used to. I don't know what you're gonna do, but I know it's so true. And because you're loving so bad. I tell people all the time, if my day trading career doesn't work out, I could always be a singer. I could be a singer. I could be a stripper DJ. I could be a movie star. I think I could be a pretty good actor as well, you know. If anybody out there wants to put me in their new movie. Oh, we know that Tanja loves when I sing. That's the only reason she comes here. The only reason Tanja comes to the live stream is to listen to me sing. The voice of an angel. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the place that you used to. Do I play any instruments? I do not. I have too much ADD to play an instrument. She's pushing, boys. Let's go. We got to get this squeeze through the 70s right up there to the 80s, and then I can walk away, go buy my new boat, or well, go pick up my new boat. I kind of want to see this thing play out. I just want to see it play, baby. Let's see if she's going to play. Can she play here? Come on, baby. Just do it. Do it. Do it. I'm thinking, honestly, I would like to, at some point, do a live stand-up. Comedy stand-up. Maybe in Miami. I'll rent out like a, go to a, I don't know, find a fucking bar somewhere and do a live show. Patrick Wieland live in real life. I think it could be good. Hey, how's it going? That's weird. Can I? Man, everyone trying to give me money today. Everyone trying to give me money, baby. Are we going to go to the 80s here, boys? Are we going to go to the 80s? Is Patrick Wieland the #1 day trader on YouTube? Yes. Are we going to go to the 80s? Possibly. Is Patrick Wieland the best looking trader on YouTube? Yes. Are we going to go to the 80s? Possibly. Yes. 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 Everything, yes. Oh, God. Now I start talking. It's going to pull back here. Oh, no. Oh, no. We broke out there. We've got the push up here. The ES ran up there to the 95s. We got a little bit of a double top there at the 70s for now. I spelled guarantee wrong. If I spell guarantee wrong, that basically, like, if someone tries to sue me for giving financial advice, I can basically say, like, look, I'm like so dumb that I spelt guarantee wrong. Like, why would you listen to some person who can't even spell? Right? Like, that right there proves that I'm, like, you know, not capable of actually giving financial advice because I can't even spell the word right. You know, think about it. I'm a big brain thinker. I got a big brain. You got a little brain. I can't spell guarantee right. Obviously, I'm an idiot. Why would you listen to me? Think about that. If I stand in front of a judge and the judge is like, Mr. Wieland, do you know that you give financial advice? And I say, Judge, I can't even spell. Why would anyone listen to me? I literally misspelt guarantee. A-G-G-A-U, guarantee. Terrible. I blame the Florida school system, mostly. All right, we're getting so fucking tight here, boys. So fucking tight. So fucking tight. If we could just go. If we could just do it. If we could just do it here. Oh my God, we're getting so fucking tight, boys. We're getting so fucking tight here. Come on. Trying to go to the 80s here. We're trying to go to the 80s. We're trying to go to the 80s. Let's do it. Oh my God. 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 God is so tight. Oh. I don't even want to look at it. I hate looking at it. I hate, like, this moment right here is when I hate looking. I literally fucking hate looking at it because it's like, it's right there. It's so fucking close. It's so fucking close. It's like, why? Why? Like, do I take profit right here? Like, fuck. Why? 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 So close. So fucking close. Yes! I ain't taking profit, you motherfuckers. Oh, up there to the 77s. Ding, 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 ding. Oh my God, now it's in a pullback. Oh God. Oh God. I don't even care anymore. Fuck this thing. Fuck the NASDAQ. Fuck trading. I don't care. I don't even care anymore. Why? Why? Like, why? Why is it going to go to 78.25 and not to this level? You motherfuckers. They did it on purpose just to fuck with me. Just to fuck with me. The emotional roller coaster. It's real, baby. The emotions are real. Oh, fuck me. God damn it. No, no. Why? I should have sold on that pop right there. That pop was not good. Why? 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 Come on! Hey, why? How? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Oh, why does it do this? Always. The NASDAQ loves to do this shit. It likes to get right there, right to your fucking level, and then just be like, wee, just kidding. Just kidding. Just kidding. And then I'll take profit. Then it's gonna go to fucking 300. Classic. Just classic, boys. Absolutely classic. But why? The ES almost up there to that pivot point at the 96s. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Listen to the rhythm and the place that's who yours. Oh man, I hate trading. I just hate it. 78 high. 78. 78. 2 points. 2 points, you motherfuckers. Literally, what a joke. It's a joke. It's a joke. It's literally comedy. My life is comedy. It's a comedy. It's welcome to the, you guys thought you're here for trading. You're here for the fucking comedy. It's comedy, people. It's fucking just, you gotta laugh about it. You're like, how? How is it possible that Patrick says it's gonna go to the 80s and it gets stopped at 78? How is that possible? It's fucking comedy. That's what it is. It's fucking comedy. It's fucking comedy. Look at it now. Now it's gonna push up there one more time. Just one more time, and then it's gonna whee! One more time, boys. One more time, boys. One more time. Let's go through the, I can't take profit till it hits 80. This sucks. My life. It's right there. It's so close. I can't, it would just be wrong. I can't do it. I have to hold. Fuck. Oh my God. It's so fucking close. I have an issue. I have an issue. I have an issue. I'm taking profit. Ah! Oh my God, I'm out. Oh, fuck me. Oh, 70 points, motherfucker. 70 points. 70 points. 70 points. 70. 70, boys. Ah. Ah. Oh, thank the Lord. I'm over it. It's gonna go. I think it wants, now that I sold, don't worry, it's gonna go to the 300s next. Ugh. Dude, are you okay? Are you okay? Does it hurt getting banned? Does it hurt? Does it hurt getting banned? Ouch. I've never been banned. Hey, UCLA, what happened, bro? What happened? You told me you got out early. What happened, bro? We went to the 80s. Everybody just bow down. 80.50 on the highs. Oh. And look at this. This setup right here was beautiful as well. We talked about this setup right here. Look at this thing on the 3-minute chart. You had the 3-candle pullback, the breakout, the move. Look at that. Into that fair value gap. Come on. Patrick Wieland. He's too good. The internet is not ready for this. Not ready for this. Look at that. It's still going up there to the 80s multiple times. Ding, 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 ding. Ding. If you guys haven't hit that like button, help me out. Blow up that like button. It's free to like, by the way. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. From the 40s up there to the 80s, 40 points, just like ding, ding, ding. It's a beautiful thing, my friends. It is a beautiful thing. UCLA, what happened? What happened? Why'd you take profit early? You're clearly not as good as me. You're clearly not as good as me. 85s. I told you it was going to go to 300 now. Now that I took profit. Fuck. Son of a bitch. My setup was 100%. My setup was 100%. What the fuck are you talking about? What did I say? 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 I told you it was going to go to the 300 now. I took profit. Fucking guaranteed. The ES up there almost to the 400s, 4,400. Look at that 15-minute chart. The setup was beautiful. Beautiful. I know, I hit the target. I hit the target, man. The target has been hit. I'm going to go pick up my fucking new boat. And UCLA is up 1850. I'm up 4730.50. Well, no. 4,730. Let's go. Why not set a trailing stop? I don't know, man. I was just. What a beautiful time to be alive. You guys want to learn more? Let's see where we're at right now on the likes. Let's get some. Let's see where we're at. We got 700 likes. If we get 1,000 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Who wants a giveaway? Anybody want to win? 1,000 likes. Hit that like button right now. We can do it live. We'll do it live for the people out there. Are we at 1,000? Man, people hate, like, people really don't like the like stream. They don't like in the like stream. The like stream. We need this is called a like stream, people. Only 800 likes. Fuck it. All right, I'm gonna go get the boat, I guess. No giveaways. No giveaways. Look at this thing. Go on to the 300s. Fuck. Wow. Wow. It's really, it's difficult, right? It's difficult because obviously, like, I'm live on YouTube. I'm calling this play out. I'm like, all right, fucking 80s. And then, it's there. So we hit the target. on the dot there, up there to the 98 highs. So congratulations. What a beautiful time to be alive. So there it is. I'm gonna go pick up my new boat. And yeah, there's other live streams out there you can go watch, but who's doing it like we're doing it? Nobody. 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 I mean, we literally called the move on the fucking dot. On the dot. On the dot. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll do it again. Maybe, I don't know. I might go fishing tomorrow morning, to be honest. I might go fishing tomorrow morning. If I'm not here, you know I'm out fishing. So there's a good chance that I go fishing tomorrow. Very good chance. Very, very good chance. Like very highly, very great chance. So, all right. So I'm out of here. I will see you guys either tomorrow morning or maybe Thursday. Probably Thursday morning. We'll see what happens. Yeah, maybe I'll do a live stream from the boat. We'll see if I can do that on my phone, maybe. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace to the Middle East. And yeah, there it is. I think the NASDAQ still wants that 300 break. Fuck, man. There are 20 points right there we left on the table. Oh. There she is. Push up there to a high of 299.50. 299.50. 299.75 high here. Oh my God. What a move. Like I said, that 15-minute chart on the ES, very bullish, very strong move up here. The NASDAQ, everything really just a beautiful setup here. Look at the 15-minute candles. And the best part about this is look at how nicely this played out at the 15. Like, I'm telling you guys, I don't care what anyone says. ICT, fucking whoever, everybody out there, this is literally the easiest trading strategy that you can have in the entire world. It does not get any simpler than this setup. I mean, look at this. Come on. The 15-minute range breakout right there. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, come on. Like, come on. Come on. Look at that thing. Fucking straight up 40 points there from the fucking, there's 60 points. Wait for the 15-minute range breakout. Get your move. Bam. I don't want to say it's fucking simple, but I mean, come on. Look at that. 15-minute range breakout right here. Just absolutely insane move. So, insane. Insane. Fucking insane. Sometimes. Like, I really don't know why people overcomplicate trading so hard. 15-minute opening range strategy. It's that simple. Put your 15-minute chart on there. Look at the first 15-minute candle. Trade the breakout. Bam. You know, there it is. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, maybe Thursday. We'll find out. And look at still going. 311. Oh, my God. 316 now. Fuck. The FOMO is real. Fuck. Why did I take profit? Oh, that 80. I don't know why I took profit at 80, but it is what it is. We hit it. We hit our target. It's still going higher. It is just how it goes sometimes. That would have been a nice 100-point move right there, but sometimes you take profit early for only 70 points. So there it is. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning or another day. So peace to the Middle East. Thanks for